Hey traders, this is Michael Jacobson from Lux Trading in association with Elite Traders University. Just going over my trade of the week, and once again it's on pound dollar. And I noticed that coming into the week we sort of had seen this sort of basing action at the low here. We finished on Friday down here, and that sort of action typically tells us that some sort of reversal may be taking place. And what happened was we end up with a bit of a trend line break and an explosion to the upside, and that was on the Monday. And after that, let's just go to a lower time frame. We basically ended up in just a corrective sort of consolidation mode for the next day and a half, and I was actually planning to hopefully buy the bottom of that and then run it up to the top of the range. So this was the high from Monday, and I was looking to buy on Wednesday morning in this area here, and was actually wanting to buy up to the top of the range and take profit. So let's have a look at my deal map and see what took place. So there was a few losses there with some scalping, and then even though, as you can see, we had this big push down, this huge big red candle, which is very unexpected, I still believe we're going to go higher. Now a lot of people would have been selling that. However, if you understand how the banks trade, you would have been going long. And so as you can see on the next candle, I went long. First position is taken out at plus 26, next position plus 78. Now there was a number of positions here, plus 26, I think 4 or 5 or so, plus 78, and then the last position was taken out for plus 121, and then I traded the next day down on the 1st of October, 8 pips and 40 pips, and so I was done for the week there. But that was definitely my trade of the week. So let's just have a look on my history. So this is the 30th of September. So number of trades at 26, 78, 2 at 78, 1 at 121, and then the next day a number at plus 40 and a number of small pips as well. So that was just 2 days trading. So incredible day for the week. I actually reached my monthly target within about almost 4 days. So it was an incredible week, and hopefully you guys have also had an amazing week. And what I want to encourage you is always try and keep your risk as low as you can and look for the big moves. Look for asymmetric reward to your risk, and that's actually how we teach you to trade at Elite Traders University. If you can manage your risk to a minimum, and if you can actually time your trades precisely as the banks do, then what you're doing is you're actually setting yourself up for the ability to risk very small, like this here, risking very small to have a big reward. Okay, so there you're looking at 7 times your risk. That's the sort of trade we want to be taking. There's no point risking 1 for 1. We want to be risking a little bit of money to make a lot of money. And again, if you can precisely time your trades, then this is something that's very possible. And to have consistent returns, as we're having at university, is something that's normal for most of our students. And so if you guys are interested, like the video, subscribe, and again, contact me with the link below. We'd love to talk with you about your trading journey, where you've been so far, where you're going, because we know that we are able to help you get to that place where you want to be. Consistency in your trading, consistent income, consistent results, keeping your risk, your drawdown very, very low. And this is something that we want to teach you to do. So get in touch with us. We'd love to talk with you. But have an amazing week, and I'll see you again next week.